where I leave it. Every damn rule I created. A Dollar Tree wine glasses in the...
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Allison Camille. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded a video. It's literally been like 4 months, and I know the last time I uploaded a video my username was a different name. It was Allie in the Air. So clearly I've been going through some changes, which I will get into in another video, but I'm back and I'm better. And I got nothing but good consistent content coming out for y'all, so you're not going to want to miss what I got coming out. Go ahead and hit that post notifications button. Is it post notifications? Yes. Turn your post notifications on so you don't miss when I upload. I have a whole new apartment series coming to y'all. Yes, I said it. Most of you know I live in New York, born and raised, but I have left New York, y'all. I am now residing in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I just moved in here about 3 days ago. Philly is my new home. For those of you who know, I am a flight attendant. I'm based in Philadelphia. It was time for me to leave New York, and Philly was calling my name. So yeah, here I am, baby girl. It's time for new beginnings, okay? But like I said, I am gonna update you guys on everything that's been going on. But for now, this is going to be the beginning of my new apartment series. I'm really excited about this video. I went shopping for my new place at a few different stores. So as you can tell from the title of this video, this is going to be my apartment haul. So I did go to Target, Marshall's, Big Lots, Dollar Tree, Walmart. I bought some things from Primark, and I bought a lot of things from Wayfair. Full disclaimer, I've been approved for my apartment for like 3 months now, so most of the things I bought them a really long time ago. Like, all my stuff that's from Wayfair was purchased before the whole situation that they got going on, okay? So everything I show y'all from Wayfair, if you don't feel comfortable shopping with them, I'm sure you can find at Overstock or Amazon or something like that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, let's get into it. I'm gonna try my best to, like, I have stuff all over, that's why I'm looking down. I'm gonna try my best to stay as organized as possible when it comes to telling you guys what I got. Everything is kind of all over the place, but I will tell you, like, I'm gonna separate it by store. So I'm gonna start with Target, and I picked up this welcome mat. It is so cute. It just says welcome in white, and it has a pineapple in the back. I love pineapples, so I thought that was really cute. I'm also not gonna tell you guys the prices of what I paid for these because I don't remember, but that's the reason why I'm telling you guys where I got it from, so you can look it up. I got this Swiffer Wet Jet. Instead of getting like the traditional mop, I picked this up because I could use this in my kitchen and in my bathroom. And from Target, the last thing I got from Target, I didn't get too much from Target. I picked up this dinnerware set. Oh, it's heavy. It is heavy. I picked up this dinnerware set. That's what it looks like. And it comes with four of these regular dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 bowls, and 4 mugs. So I thought this was really pretty and elegant. Like, the plates are textured around the rim, so I really like that. Moving on to Marshall's. If you know me, you know Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. Like, listen, okay? I love these stores. And what I love about Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods is when you find things in that store, 9 times out of 10 you could go back there the following month, you're not going to see that item again. So whatever you pick up from there is unique, which is something that I really like. So I bought this shower caddy from Marshall's, and it's funny because I had bought one from Walmart, but then when I went to Marshall's I saw this one, and I just like this one so much better because of, like, you know, the detailing. And I'm extra, y'all, don't pay attention to my nails, okay? I need to find a nail tech in Philly. So if you guys know any good nail techs in Philly, leave a comment down below, because now that I live here, I need somebody to, like, hook me up, okay? So I got this shower caddy from Marshall's, hang in my shower. That's pretty self-explanatory. I bought these velvet hangers in black because I want my closet to look very uniform. I don't like a whole bunch of colorful hangers, and I really don't like the plastic ones. So I bought 2 packs of these, and one is a 25 pack, one is a 35 pack. So starting off with 60 hangers, I think I should be okay, because I also have like a dresser with 5 drawers, so should be okay with 60 hangers starting off. I also picked up these measuring cups, and I got this big one, which is a 1 liter measuring cup, 32 ounce, and I picked up this small one, which is just an 8 ounce cup, which is just like a regular cup. I bought this little you put like olive oil in here, and you know, drizzle it while you're cooking, like into the pot. But I'm actually using this in my bathroom, and I'm like real extra. You guys will see when I show you my full apartment tour video. I am very extra and very particular about the look that I'm going for in my apartment. So I bought this for the bathroom, and I'm going to fill it with mouthwash. Bougie, I know. I'm filling it with mouthwash, and you just pour the mouthwash into these little white cups that I have and toss them out when you're done. So if you know me, you know I love my plants. Okay, I love my plants. So I found this pot at Marshall's. It was right in the front as soon as I walked in, and I saw it and I was like, I have to get it. And the crazy thing is, it doesn't even really go with like the aesthetic of my apartment, but for the price, this one was $9.99. I thought it was worth it, and it's so unique and really gorgeous to me, so I had to pick it up. And the best thing about it, and I feel like this is probably what sold me into buying it, was right next to it, it had this little pot that has the same design. This smaller one was $6, and I just feel like I had to get them both because I just feel like that would be like really, really pretty. So that is that. Ooh. And that's it for Marshall's. I did go to Ross. My mom and I went to Ross and picked up, we only found, the crazy thing is, like, we went to Ross out here in Philly thinking that we were gonna find like a whole bunch of stuff, but we went there and it was like empty. Like, I don't know if it's because they just started restocking again because the stores were closed because of like COVID-19, but they really did not have much in Ross at all. So I picked up this what is it called? A liner, like a liner for your cabinets in the kitchen, and I'm just going to use these to line them just so I can put my dishes on top of them, so I don't know, I don't scratch up the cabinets. And then I picked up this muffin pan, and I thought this was really cute because it comes with the little silicone holders, so I got those two from Ross. Moving on to Big Lots. I went to Big Lots yesterday, and I had to pick up just a few basics, so I did pick up a broom and a scoop. I also got this memory foam bath rug from my bathroom, and I actually have one in my bathroom already, but oh, who's that? I'm mad nosy, right? I have one of these in my bathroom already, but when I ordered it from Wayfair, the one that's in my bathroom, I thought it was a 2-piece set, and it's not, so I needed another one for right when you step out of the shower, so I did pick this up. I picked up a few of these little plugins. I got 4 of them because I want to keep one in like every room in my house, and then of course I had to buy the little refills for them. I picked up this cleaning brush. I got some St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Face Scrub. Got that, and then I got my one of my favorite face washes, which is the Noxzema face wash. And this is the eucalyptus one, and I really love what this does for my skin. Okay, glowing, honey. All right, that was it from Big Lots. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what I got from Dollar Tree. I didn't get too much from there. Y'all know I love Dollar Tree, and there's a Dollar Tree literally walking distance from my new apartment, so I'm really excited about that. But anyway, I like going to Dollar Tree for a lot of my kitchen stuff because they have Betty Crocker there, and they're just $1. So why not? So I got this pair of scissors, and they're out of the pack because I had to use them. I got some measuring spoons, egg beater, some face masks because coronavirus shit is real. I got some of these pot holders, some kitchen rags, some kitchen towels. Can y'all guess what like the color scheme is for my kitchen yet, or no? I got an oven mitt, and then I bought these from the Dollar Tree, and I really love these. These are these they're just like big gold plates. So I'm gonna spray paint these silver, but I picked them up because I really liked how it had the detailing around the rim, because my plate set, my dinnerware set, also has the same detailing. Is that it? Wow, that's it from Dollar Tree. I thought I had way more from Dollar Tree. I went to Primark mad long ago. Like, when I say mad long ago, like probably 5 months ago, and I knew that I was moving towards the end of the year, so I started slowly grabbing things. Like literally every month I was getting packages, because I knew I was moving. So I was just, and then my old apartment in New York had a spare room, so everything that I bought I would just keep in the spare room in its box, not open it, whatever. So I got these from Primark. This is a little Q-tip holder. Ooh. It's a little Q-tip holder, and I thought it was so cute. You just put your Q-tips in there and you grab one out the front. And then this is very similar to the Q-tip holder, but it's for your cotton rounds, like what you clean your face with. So you put them in there, and then it'll be easy to just grab one right out of the front. This, oh, okay. I also picked up this. It's a really cute shelf, and again, as you can see, it is gold around the rim, so I am gonna paint that silver so it matches with my apartment. But I thought this was really, really cute to hang on the wall, maybe in the living room or something, and then put like a plant and, I don't know, a candle or something. And then this little miniature fan, I thought it was from Primark, but it wasn't. I think it was from Five Below. I got it so long ago, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it was from Five Below. But it's just this really small, like, tabletop fan. It's my favorite color. It's gonna go on my nightstand in my bedroom, and what I like about it is it has this little USB port, so you can just connect it to like your phone little cube. Or I bought lamps from Amazon that have a USB port on the side of them, and I will show you guys those in a minute. So I'll be able to just keep this on my nightstand, plug this into the little USB port on my lamp, and boom, because I be sweating like crazy, sweating like a pig in my sleep. Okay, most of the things I got from Walmart, I'm only showing you guys one thing from, or two things from Walmart, because most of the things I got from Walmart are already put away. Like, a lot of the things I got from Walmart are in my kitchen and I needed them already, so they're already put away. But I'm showing you guys this. This is an electric wax warmer. We all use them, we've all seen them. Pretty basic. I did also get the little wax melts for them. Got that from Walmart. And then I got these slippers that I'm wearing from Walmart as well. New house, new slippers, why not? And they're extremely, extremely comfortable and fuzzy. I like fuzzy, cute things. Before I get into the Wayfair stuff, I'm going to show you guys what I got from Goodwill. Okay? So I went to the Goodwill in New York before I left, and I found these two vases, and I just had to get them because the deal was just like ridiculous. So this one, these little rocks in here are from Dollar Tree. I do have more. I know it looks like there's nothing in there, but I have more that I need to fill it up with. But this vase I got from Goodwill, and I love the design going around it. I think it's very unique. This vase was listed for $2.99. And then I also got this vase, and this one is for my room because my room will have some pink accents. So I got this one for my room, and this one was also, focus. Can you focus on me? Okay, there we go. This one was also $2.99, but when I got up to the register, y'all know how Goodwill works. When I got up to the register, these were $1.50 each. They were half off, so I got both of these for $3 total. You can't beat that, okay? Yesterday I went to the Salvation Army out here in Philly, and I found these really cute coasters. They're these small glass. They remind me of like the coasters my grandma used to have. Like, you know, they're really like, they're antiques, but this is what they look like, and these were 99 cents each. And again, when I got up to the register, these were half off, so these were 49 cents each, and I got a set of 4. And then I have an entryway table as soon as you enter my home, and I really wanted to put like a little key basket on that table so I could just come in, throw my keys in the basket. This is not the type of basket I was looking for, but when I saw this in Salvation Army, I had to pick it up. Just like the coasters, this is like just a really beautiful piece. Like, it is just, the detailing, it's gorgeous. And this was also $2.99 with half off. So for this key basket, that's what I'm using it for. And for my 4 coasters, I paid $3.50, okay? I love me a good bargain. Most of the things I got from Wayfair, like my bed is from Wayfair, but I'm not going to really show you guys that yet. I really want you guys to tune into my fully furnished apartment tour video, which will be coming out probably in a few weeks. It's going to take me some time to get my place together, and I feel like decorating is like never fully complete because you always want to like switch something up. But I've only been here for 3 days, so of course everything is looking crazy right now. So just stay tuned, turn your notifications on, subscribe right now. I'm just telling you right now, you don't want to miss it. Don't say I didn't warn you, okay? From Wayfair, we're going to start with the Wayfair stuff now. We'll move on to the Wayfair stuff. I bought this spice rack, and I had one of these at my old apartment as well. So I just knew I had to get one here because it's just so convenient and it's perfect. And it looks really aesthetically pleasing in my kitchen. So I got this spice rack from Wayfair. And the really cool thing about this spice rack is it comes with all of the spices, and it also comes with free refills on the spices for 5 years. So that's pretty dope. I don't really know how it works. I guess you just like send, I don't know what you send in or whatever, but you get free refills for 5 years. I also got this shelf, this space saver shelf from Wayfair, and this is going to go in my bathroom, and it's just, you know, the little shelf that goes behind your toilet. I got my entire bathroom set from Wayfair. I got the shower curtain, I got the bath rugs from Wayfair, and then I also got this is my waste basket. Really cute, really simple. I love like the you guys can't see that. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but I really love the detailing. Oh, there we go. I love the detailing on it. I feel like it's just like really elegant and pretty. I also bought the matching dish, or the matching soap dish, matching tissue box. I got the toilet brush cleaner. I got the toothbrush holder. This I think was supposed to be something else, but my toothpaste doesn't fit in here, so it's my toothpaste holder. And I got the matching soap dispenser. So this is my whole bathroom set. The last 2 things I'm going to show you guys are from Amazon, and this is the 3-in-1 fast charge. I have been seeing these all over the place, and I'm like, I need one for myself. You place your phone on there, it'll charge your phone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch. So I got this from Amazon for a pretty good deal. And then the last thing I got from Amazon, well, not the last thing, but the last thing I'm going to show you guys in this video are these lamps right here. And these lamps are absolutely gorgeous, okay? When I tell you I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I did not pay much. They are the most beautiful lamps, like small lamps I've ever seen. They light the room up so well, and they just look so elegant, so beautiful. They look really, really good next to my bed. And like I was telling you guys, they come with the USB port next to it. So there's 2 USB ports on each lamp, and I have 2 of these. So this is probably one of my favorite purchases, especially at night when I plug that up and turn it on. It is just so beautiful. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like these. Give me any suggestions you have. Subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. And I'm going to talk to you guys real soon. I promise. Bye, guys.